Okay, here's my moonstone for the birds. First, I have Know Your Path, number 126. Number 126. Push Your Limits is number 15. Search for Better, number 376. And Earn Your Victory, number 126. Thank you so much.